Alright, I picked up this little bird feeding holder thing. The brand is HYPEETY, so High Peety maybe. And so the idea here is to kind of hook it in the bird cage and uh, either put like the millet seed thing hanging in here, be able to clip pieces of other food in there and hang it and have them be able to climb and eat on it, stuff like that. So um, I'm actually not sure on how to hook it in there yet with this, but I will give that a try, see how it works here. And yeah, we're trying to train one of our birds to actually eat other stuff other than just seeds. So that's where we're going. So I will post a little photo or maybe video if he actually goes for it, and hope that will help you out. Have a good day. Take care.